Yes. Look at. Oh, that scared me. But look at our first froggy. Our first froggy. Ryan would love you. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Our first frog. Yay! I just had to show you this. Well, mostly Ryan, because he's a frog. And, sorry, Froggy. I already have my Prince Charming. Ribbit, ribbit. Can you move? I'm not going to hurt him, so I'm just going to see if he will hop. Oh no! Are you dead, little guy? Hope not. You are. No, you're breathing. Look at that heartbeat. It's weird. Look at it. Creepy. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys something. Ooh, you can pick it up over here. Okay, some of you want to know what a real Midwest storm looks like and sounds like. Well, since my mascot in high school was a thunderbolt, and we were called the Mighty Storm, I thought I would show you guys what it would be like in a thunderstorm. And there's no rain. This is a typical heat lightning storm in South Dakota. And it's picking up pretty good. Ooh. It's scary. I'm with Ryan. I don't like them very much because they lead to tornadoes. And this is the time, and especially in Alabama, where Ryan's from, is tornado season. And luckily we have never had a tornado here, knock on wood, but you never know. I'm not gonna jinx it. Whoa, man, ooh, buddy. Shh, listen. Thunder of God. Angels are bowling. That's how Mom would always tell me when I was scared and there was always a thunderstorm back in Washington, which was not very often, that the angels are bowling. I'm gonna hurry with this vlog. I don't want to get striked. Ryan would be very upset if I was ever hurt. And that light is just our yard light, also mixed with lightning. So, but, whoa, they're getting pretty close. So I might go inside here in a minute. But I want you guys to be able to know and see what a Midwest thunderstorm is like. Whoa, go storm. I hope I get a lot of ratings on this. This is pretty cool. Anyway, yeah, oops. This is a very short vlog. So I'm gonna go inside because I have also a wet head and heat and light and a good mix. So I'm gonna walk, backwards so you guys could see a little bit of it. That's, one thing back here is during the spring and summer, there is a lot of thunderstorms. So I just wanted to put this out, and maybe Keloland will see it. Maybe my good friend Tony Barlow will see it, and he'll probably show it on Killland. So I'm going to do a quick one for Killland. So see you guys later. Bye.